In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Udemy and make effective use of its support resources through support, Udemy. Let's jump right in and get you on your way to resolving any issues you might encounter on Udemy. To get started, first open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type in Udemy. This is your gateway to entering the universe of online learning that Udemy offers. Once you hit enter, you should see a list of search results. Look for the official site, usually at the top, labeled as Udemy Online Courses. Go ahead and click on that link to be taken directly to Udemy's homepage. Now, from the homepage, you'll notice various options, but for our purposes today, find and select the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do this to access all of Udemy services. If you prefer a quicker way to log in, consider using Continue with Google. This option will allow you to log in seamlessly if you are already signed into your Google account. Once you've logged in and are on the main page, it's wise to familiarize yourself with the site's layout if you're not already. But our focus now is to head to Help and Support, a crucial resource for any assistance you might require. It can usually be found at the bottom of the home page or in the account options. Clicking this will take you to their dedicated support page. Here, you'll find a search option. Type anything specific you need help with. Let's say you want to change your account settings. You type it in the search box and hit enter. You'll be directed to a list of helpful articles. For example, if you want to know how to change your location or settings, you'll find an article titled How to Change Your Language Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. At the bottom of most articles, there's an option to contact us. This is an interactive feature where you can explain your issue either to an automated support bot or, if available, a customer representative. It's crucial here to provide a brief yet clear explanation of your issue. Mention aspects like needing to update your country or currency settings for smooth assistance. And there you have it, a straightforward way to utilize Udemy and its support resources effectively. Whether you're facing technical issues or account-related queries, these steps give you the best path towards a solution. Remember, leveraging the help resources like these can greatly enhance your learning experience on Udemy, making it not just a platform for courses, but a full-fledged support ecosystem for learners.